Yo guys, it's HBFS. Welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can use the recent strategy, the update 2 on how to catch the spikes in boom and crash, how you can as well buy crash and sell boom using the same strategy, but with different market condition and with a little change in the parameters. So as you can see already, they said the indicators we're using are the same with the spike caching strategy. In fact, it's the same strategy, but we just change the parameter for the indicator with the one that of the stochastic oscillator. The only difference is that for indicator window 1, which is this, the stochastic is the levels is the different. So the levels are 95, 90, 10, 5, and 50. So this is the only difference between this and the one for catching the spikes. Or every other indicators are the same. I can just quickly show you guys. This is the Achimoku, is still the same settings. This is the Achimoku, is the same settings. And indicator window 2, this is it. These are the levels for indicator window 2 for the stochastic oscillator. You can pause and take screenshot of it, and you click done, and this is the moving average. The same thing with the spike caching strategy. the only difference the only difference is on the indicator with the one, the stochastic oscillator. Now here are the conditions for a buy market for sin 1000. As you can see, I'm already on sin 1000 making use of this strategy. I am on sin 1000, and actually it's a live account. As you can see, it's a live account. So this is it, guys. Now for you to buy crash 1000 or crash 500 using this strategy, what you have to do is to wait for the Ichimoku to be at the 10 stochastic line, and for the moving average to also be at the 10 stochastic line. Like, it's the reverse of the spike caching strategy. If we are buying crash 1000 or crash 500, the first you have to watch out for is for this move Ashimoku to be here, to be here to be at the 10 stochastic line, and the moving average should also be at the 10 stochastic line on indicator window 2. So this is a simple way to buy crash 1000 or to buy crash 500. So if we go to crash 500, right now the conditions is yet to be met or crash 500. So once the Ichimoku is within the 10 and 5 stochastic line, and the moving average also is within the 10 and 5 stochastic line, we opt in on a buy. The same thing happens for boom. Now for boom 500, now this is boom 500. Like for boom 500, if you want to sell boom 500 now, what we have to do is to wait for this Ichimoku to be within the 90 and 95 stochastic line, and the moving average to also be within the 90 and 95 stochastic line. But as you can see here, the moving average is already within this zone, but the Ichimoku is not at our zone. So we have to wait for the two indicator, the Ichimoku and the moving average, to be at the zone. If one is at the zone and the other is not there, we don't take that market. We have to wait for the two indicator, Ichimoku and the moving average, to be within the 90 and 95 zone before we say boom. The same principle apply to also boom 1000. But know this strategy, know this: if you are using it to trade the market, especially for boom indices, you have to know the trend, and that is the function of the moving average on our chart. This moving average helps us to see the direction of the market. Now if you move on a higher time frame like H1, it tells you what the market is doing. So as you can see here, the moving average is actually moving in an upward direction. It shows that the market is actually an uptrend market. but we can also use it to scalp the market and use it to scalp 10 minutes to 15 minutes from the market. 10 minutes to 15 minutes irrespective of the market direction. So once the conditions are met, once the Achimoku and the moving average are within the selling zone, which is 95 and 90, we then hoping for a sell. And I can tell you that this strategy is working. As you saw earlier, it's a live account that we're trading. The strategy is working, and you just have to follow the conditions to be able. You just sorry guys, you just have to follow the market conditions. Have to wait for the strategy conditions to be made first before taking any trade. Don't rush the market, don't chase the market, allow the market to do its thing and to come to us by waiting patiently for it to meet with our trading or our strategy condition. This is just a quick video. I don't want it to be a long one, so I'm just going to end the video right now. And hey guys, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly smash that subscribe button for more strategies, for more videos on how you can be profitable trading the financial market, most especially trading boom and crash. And if you find the video interesting, do it to also click on the like button and let us know what you think about this strategy. Try to demonstrate it first. What I mean is try practice it several times and until you master the strategy before going live on it. I'm trading live with it. I know the strategy. I've mastered it. Just wait for the conditions to be met, and when you take trades based on that constraints, you definitely gonna end in profit. So guys, it's HBFS. It's your boy Steve Vino, and I'm signing out right now. Peace guys.